Nick.
That's how I did in the human world. And that's why I'm out. Yeah, kind of like that.
Wait. Before we go, we're a little late.
A lot of late.
Mama made us breakfast. We got some potato, egg, and cheese, and sourdough bread.
Sourdough bread. Delicious.
Martin sourdough bread.
Martin's sourdough bread.
Okay, we're on the way.
Yes.
Okay, get all your
Yes.
wiggles out. You gotta get all your wiggles out. Because the fish don't like that.
The fish do not like when you wiggle. They like when you are still and will not move. They want you when you find the fish. So we're going to Weatherford.
And then we're gonna hit Possum Kingdom.
And then we're gonna hit PK, as my father likes to say it. But in reality,
Swing to sit on in this vise. Bobs are out. Fishing with some corn. See if them trout are out here. Stock trout. We're out here at Clear Lake in Weatherford. We got skunked. We're blaming it on the tree guys.
yeah, the tree guys are making too much noise. We're tree guys over here. Tree man.
Blaming the tree man.
Make too much noise. Too many vibrations in the water.
Too many vibrations, yeah.
Too many vibrations in the water.
Here they come fishing. From fishing.
Yeah, that would suck. That did suck.
The river park.
Cool, but like, oi. That sucks. Hey,
Nearly look down in the river.
now we caught one like this big,
Yeah, we set it free.
but like the line snapped, so yeah, we got to redo all that stuff. And this is not as big as Martin. I think.
Yeah.
It was a bluegill.
Hey, over there. It says no vehicles, but you can walk over there.
See it?
Here we are. We made it.
A spear. Like a.
Seen this reenactment before. Step out a little more, Martin.
Come on, check it out. Yeah, I think it's shallow.
Yeah, see, I got the double nuggy strap. The first one, that's for the taste. That's for the nibble. The second one, that's for the kill.
What do you call it? The double nuggy
The double nuggy
trout duster.
trout tester. Yeah. How'd you guess the exact name I came up with?
The double nuggy trout duster.
Double nuggy trout.
That's gonna do it, dude.
Oh, dang, running. The running cast.
They didn't want us today, but we'll be back. Not here. Not this spot.
I'm coming back here.
That felt good, dude. Not today, but like it is good.
We'll come back with
The guy said
fly
it was
fishing
Friday.
material. We should fly.
Look at this. Freaking National Geographic going on right here. Here you go.
I wonder how they determine who's the alpha in the cranes. Or is the longest beak or something? Yeah. Longest neck.
So I did in the human world. That's why I'm alpha.
See you walk by with your like you're a great heron. Ready? You gotta go out more though. You gotta go out.
How do they walk again?
I don't know.
Yeah, backwards. Yeah, kind of like that.
Wait. You gotta start like right there. Like, go.
You gotta get more wings.
Good luck on the fishers. Crap out of the fish.
You see him again?
Yeah, they're there. They're just swimming around, doing nothing.
Oh, hello, Chef Mike.
I guess I'll move.
What exactly?
We did a little catch and cook today. What do you catch, Tuffy? So we're gonna eat the bait.
Nice. What do we got here?
Cut bait. It's actually mahi-mahi.
Oh yeah?
Wild caught from,
What's this? Tell me what are you doing here?
just seasoning up kind of. This is our bait, see?
Yeah.
We didn't,
Tell me exactly what right now is in the pan as we speak.
mahi. That's butter, my special seasoning, and the bait.
Oh, yes.
We have corn too if you want some, but I don't know.
It's kind of mixed up with
What we're
everything.
doing.
Yeah, probably. Now, what kind of utensils are you using for?
We're gonna go like this.
Yes.
yeah.
That looks fancy.
Like that.
It smells
Come on, baby.
delicious.
Smells fantastic. It's cooked.
What exactly? How do you feel about this, sir?
It just smells really good.
It does smell really good.
Just sitting out here for hours in the cold.
It's been what time is it? Like 5?
We got out here about 1.
It's cold.
We drove. We started driving at 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
With a stomach full of eggs. We
Yeah.
have a stomach full of nothing.
We got the coffee percolator.
Oh!
Purple coffee.
Coffee!
We ain't got no water, we ain't got no coffee. So.
Well,
Drink your spit, guys.
Alright, come
it
on.
smells like spaghetti.
Hey, look at that.
It
Look
does
at
smell
that.
really good.
Look at that, boys.
It's that seasoning. That seasoning is what really. That's what does it. It did it.
Seasoning is modeled after poppadoms. Black redfish magic.
It looks like the.
No
They look like scallops. They look like scallops.
Where can we find that?
My house.
So,
I think it works. Maybe Mr. Wally's soon. Mr. Wally's fish seasoning.
what was that there? Was that what you killed the mahi mahi
In
with?
case I see it move, you know, because we didn't kill it all the way.
This is Benjamin's knife.
Oh,
AKA spatula and fork
very nice.
today. Martin, where's your knife?
I lost it some time ago.
Seriously?
No, I know it's not.
Handmade in the garage.
Yeah? Or actually in my pockets, somewhere in my room.
We're good.
This is what it's all about.
I like this setup we got. This whole setup we got going on here.
Let's get that.
In the back of the car. The whole car is gonna smell like fish.
Oh, it's gonna smell good in there. Yeah, that's gonna be nice.
Whole car, it's gonna smell like
I could fart in there and it'll
some
probably
mahi
still smell
mahi.
good.
Yeah.
Try these.
Give me the.
Oh.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Is it fantastic? Let's see.
Mmm. That's good.
Let me grab one of these. Oh.
Get the.
Whoa. That was really
That
good.
would go really good in like some noodles.
Why don't we do this like all the time?
Yeah.
There's not a hill.
Drive out here, open up the trunk.
Yeah. It's about 2 hours away and cook up some fish in the back of the truck.
Well,
Little guys are done, dude.
Oh yeah.
One pound, dude. I don't got the digging.
Where you put it? Oh. Yes, sir. That's very good.
Plate right there. Eat up. Eat up.
Dig in, boys. Get some nuggies. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna chat out on this sucker right here. Get a couple.
Look at that.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, it is hot.
Whoa. Here's the secret, the real secret.
Whoa.
Butter.
You doubling it up?
Kind of dry.
That's so heavy. What's that?
Yeah, get a couple of those. Pull it on. That really is good. That's solid.
It's the fresh air that makes pig done.
Maybe that's what it is. It's so cold out here.
Anything.
But this, I think this is, I really do. Like, I think it really is that good.
Wow. We should make these. Like as a
Fish
thing.
nuggies?
Yeah. Oh, with like some French fries. Or something.
Oh,
That
throw
would
them
be
over the
good.
top of something.
Yeah.
Like a tortilla. Yeah.
Taco.
That would be actually, that's
That'd be
perfect
really
for Baja
good.
fish.
That'd be really good tacos.
Baja tacos? Be awesome. All right. You got any last words? Oh, we're gonna eat the thing.
You're gonna bite into one of these big chunks right now. I'm gonna record you.
Okay. All right, I'll pause it.
I think these
Ooh, wait, look at those juices.
they're ready.
Oh, delicious.
Turn around.
All right. Let me take it. Let me see.
Take a bite.
It's hot. Oh, you want to see that?
Oh, you want me to flash the light on that?
Yeah, put a little light on it. Let that.
Oh, I got a light here.
No, no, no.
It's kind of bright. It's kind of bright. There we go. There we go. Take a bite out of that mug. Oh, whoa.
Hey! Oh, shoot!
I think this might be better than the nuggets. You want a bite?
Well, that's my fish right there.
You don't want to share.
So you
All right,
want a
let's
bite?
see you. Let's see you get your
Here, I'll put mine.
nuggie on.
Wait.
Go ahead and.
Ah, yes. Finally, mine. Right there.
That's it.
I'll grab my job then.
I really do think that was. Like, you have more flavor of the fish with it. So like,
Oh wait, whoa.
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Martin's about to
Get the
do
lights,
it.
let me get the
I got it. I got it.
Oh, yeah.
Take a bite of that mug. You're gonna drop it.
Yeah, hold on. The other end is gonna break. It's flaky. That's really good.
One time. All right. Well,
I don't need a knife for this.
bad day of fishing is okay when you have bait.
Yeah, if you don't catch them, just cook up the bait. You'll be fine.
I don't know, Wilderness Explorers do this.
Yeah, what the
I
heck?
don't know.
Why doesn't
Come on, Bear
everybody
Grylls.
have
Take a note.
Next time we'll bring 2 or 3 fillets of fish.
just in
Order
case.
That's it.
takeout or something.
Yeah, we'll bring a big old thing of McDonald's.
Nice. All right. I'll talk to you later.
Adios. Thank you
Yeah,
for
watch
watching.
Thank you for watching Martin's. What'd you get out of there, boy?
Just dip it out in the grease.
Slapping your fingers in there?
You scraped the grease.
Another one. Another one for the dinner plate.
The mighty beast. Dang, this dude really ate it though. Hold on.
A little bit. I guess little gills.
In a big double. All right, that's.
Limit it out, guys. Check it out.